Well, in this video, we'll be conversing from this form to that form. This is the x-intercept form I told you in the first video. That's the y-intercept form. So this one is mostly used, as said, I told you that in the first video, that it's mostly used when finding the equation of a parabola. So, or when given the x-intercept though. So in this equation, or in this graph, or in this question, you are given a graph where there is two x-intercepts, x1 and x2. So x1 and x2 are covered then. As usual, you'll be given information on the graph and information on the equation of the graph. Then the question is like, determine B and C. Anyways, so due to the given information, we know that, or we can see that we're given the x-intercept. The starting point is over here. So it's going to be y equals a into x minus x1 into x minus x2. Why are we writing this? Because the given information is two x-intercepts. Anyways, so yeah, y equals, or you could use h at x, it's not wrong as well. So y equal, okay, let me just use h at x. H at x. In the place of a, we do have the value. It's -1. -1 into x is unknown minus x1 might be -2. Then into x, which is unknown, minus x2 can be 3. Or the other way around, we may choose this one to be your x1, this one to be your x2. It's up to you. Then h at x will equal to sorry for that delay. Anyways, so it's going to be -1 into, simplifying here, it's x, negative is positive, equals 2, plus 2, sorry, into x minus 3. Then h at x will be equal to, it's a FOIL thingy over here, so it's -1 into x times, you do the FOIL thingy, x times x, x squared, then this 2 is going to be negative x, this 2, -6 there. Then remove the bracket, h at x will equal to -x squared minus x minus 6. Oh, sorry, it's positive here, because it's -1 times this one, negative. Negative times negative, positive, negative times negative, positive. So this is going to be your equation. So to answer the question, they were like, determine the values of B and C. We conclude that B equals to, B equals to 1 and C equals to 6. Okay. So that's it for this question. Thank you for watching.